Good evening. So tonight we are going to discuss. I am going to discuss evidence. So evidence is under part 4 of the rules of court. So evidence. Our textbook that is used here is Rayano. Okay. So some part of it also we have Noche. Noche. Okay. So in evidence, let must remember that truth is not equal to justice. Okay. Or in other words, evidence evidence is not the truth. And if it is the truth, it must be it must be equal to justice. Okay, but remember, truth is not equal to justice. So rules on admissibility, admissible evidence. So obviously I am going to discuss only what I understand about evidence. So for advance, you, in this group S, uh, you need to uh, find a way. So admissible in evidence, we have the hearsay, we have the res gestae. Okay. So when we say hearsay, this is inadmissible to the court because uh, example of this hearsay is second hand information. So for example, if Pedro will tell you that he saw a man uh, stabbing a person. So that's a second hand evidence because uh, the one who saw the incident was Pedro, but she told it to Petra. Then Petra, the testimony of Petra is inadmissible. So in res gestae, this is this happens when uh, a commotion happened and uh, upon commotion, uh, there is a person who, let's say, he didn't really saw it. For example, inside the house there is a husband and wife who are fighting. Okay, so they are fighting and there is a person here, just a passerby, and listen, and suddenly the husband cut the throat of the wife. So that's an example of res gestae, the information of the passerby. So then we have burden of proof and burden of evidence and presumption. So here in evidence, you must take note that the burden of proof lies. Burden of proof. Burden of proof. Burden of proof lies uh, on the part of the one presenting the evidence. Okay? So, the other one, we have the burden of innocence. Okay? So, burden of innocence is denial to death of the one being uh, tried. Okay. So, presumption. Then we have presentation of evidence. So, presentation of evidence, it must be presentation. So, in presentation, for example, in drug cases, drugs. Example, shabu cases, shabu. Oh, shabu. So, we must remember, it must follow the four links. Four links in handling illegal drugs. So, if the second or third was absent in the links, then the presentation of evidence was deficient. It is a malnourished presentation of evidence. So, it will be struck down. So, next, we have weight and sufficiency of evidence. So, for example, weight and sufficiency of evidence. Sufficiency. So, the weight of evidence is based on example DNA. So DNA, it is 99.9%. So it has it has a bigger weight compared to just pictures. Pictures. Let's say you are having a picture with a deceased woman, then you said that that deceased woman was your wife, then uh, that's that's uh, that's has a lighter weight compared to DNA test. What I mean, involving children. So it must be the children, the child that the husband bring must be the same with the DNA of the deceased wife. So that's it. Thank you. Good day, and I think I serve you again with this evidence as a mere review. I hope and pray that it will help you just to review. Thank you and God bless.